Is your ASUS laptop completely refusing to connect to Wi-Fi, or has the network icon vanished entirely from your taskbar? Corrupted network drivers, stale system cache, or hardware power glitches are usually the culprits. Let's go through 4 simple steps to bring your connection back. Hit subscribe and let's fix it. Right-click the Start icon and select Device Manager from the pop-up list. Locate network adapters in the list and click to expand the menu. Right-click your Wi-Fi driver, MediaTek or Intel, select Uninstall Device, check the confirmation box, and click Uninstall. Reboot your ASUS laptop so Windows can automatically reinstall the driver. Return to Device Manager, right-click your Wi-Fi driver, and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose an alternative driver version from the list and click Next to install it. Right-click the Start icon and select Terminal Admin or Command Prompt Admin. Execute network reset commands one by one, such as netshay-winsock reset and ipconfig/flush DNS. Restart your laptop after all commands complete to apply the changes. Shut down your ASUS laptop and disconnect all accessories, including the charger. Press and hold the power button continuously for 40 seconds. Plug the charger back in and press the power button to start your laptop. And your ASUS laptop should now be fully connected back to the internet. If one of these solutions restored your Wi-Fi today, please smash that like button and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more tech fixes. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.